Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Steve in Arkansas on the Ranger RCI 99N2. Steve got it ready to go for you, bud. Truckerized tune alignment, which consists of the obviously tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade, wideband transmit and receive, static mic, tune-up video, and some other little goodies along the way. This joker's set up to run your 8-pill. I'll show you what we got here with RF power all the way down, 100-watt slug in AM mode. Got you about 5 watts, which is plenty low. 50 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. Put that in the corner. 250 watt slug in average. Low. 125 bird. Peak power. Low. 250 watt slug in the corner. Steve, it's going to work out great with your 8-pill. Going to cruise it right along and have some big bold audio. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. You've been truckerized. Bump bump.